So I got this Revox reel-to-reel tape recorder. It's a Revox E36 and it's got a problem. I'll show you the front. Wow. It's very heavy. It's a machine, I think it's the early 60s, 1965 maybe. But it has a really nice sound. Let's take a look. Well, this felt spacer ring has come loose, but that's not the problem. Okay, let's power it up. Let's turn it on. Well, we can see right away what the problem is. That's not supposed to happen. It looks like the brake for this take-up reel is not doing its job. I didn't hit the play button. I just turned it on and the motor for the take-up reel starts spinning. That's not good. So we have to get inside and see what's going on there. In order to get the cover off, I'll need to get all these knobs off. All right. I think I can see what the problem is. As you can see, this cotton belt has come loose. It has come off this take-up wheel. So there should be a brake on this take-up wheel. You can see how it should work on this wheel. If I disengage the brake, I can spin the motor freely. If the brake is applied, the wheel cannot be moved. On this side, the cotton around the take-up wheel has come off, so the brake has no resistance at all. It can spin freely, and that's the problem. So we have to get this thing off and try to reattach this cotton brake belt to the wheel. So let's see if that's possible. This table is fixed to the motor with a little screw, and I think that's inside here. And maybe that's an inbus or Allen key, but it's difficult to see. So let's see. Maybe this one. Yes, I got it. Wow, that's a lucky first try. The belt for the counter is fixed to this table. Let's get that off. All right. So. I think it should go like this. So with a little glue inside or tape, maybe it's a quick fix. Let's see if I got some tape. So I got some double-sided tape. Let's use a little bit of alcohol to make sure the tape will stick. All right, looking good. All right, let's put it back on the machine. Be careful not to damage the brake, so I'll make sure I'll get the tension off first. All right, so there we go. Yeah, that's tight. That's a fix. Let's fix the table to the motor. All right. Let's see what will happen if I put the power back on. Yeah, The take-up reel is no longer spinning. The reels are supposed to run if you let go of the brake. As you can see on this reel. But this brake is not tight enough. You can adjust the tension of the brake by adjusting the position of this spring, but I think this is already the tightest position. Alright, well, this is the best I can do for the moment. Let's put it back together again. So, we still got another problem. This felt spacer has come loose. We need to fix that again. But the problem is, if these tables are not aligned, the tape will touch the take-up reel, and that's not good. So we have to get this spacer in exactly the right position. So I got this empty reel, and I got some tape. So let's see if the tape is properly aligned. You can see it is not good aligned because the tape touches the take-up reel. So this is not the right position. I turned the spacer 180 degrees. Let's see how it is now. Alright, so this is the best position for the spacer. Let's see if we can fix it in that position. Okay, so let's mark this position. Alright. I would like to use this double-sided tape. The tape is very thin, so it will probably do not much in the positioning of the take-up reel. So let's try it out. First I clean this a little bit to make sure it sticks as good as possible. And the last one, there it is. Let's see if the tape is still aligned properly. Alright, looking good. The tape does not touch the take-up reel. So I think we're done with this repair. There you have it. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you guys in the next video.